Hello fellow machine shop owners and machinists. My name's Tim Bowman. A little bit about my background. I've been doing this my whole life, 25 plus years. I've learned so much and I've gotten really good at helping people run machine shops. I'd like to share this through a series of videos. My objective is to help solve some of those issues with fabrication shops and manufacturing shops, machining shops, to help end the struggles associated with managing and running, a complex manufacturing business. I'm here at Xometry because they care about manufacturing. They care about the individuals in manufacturing. They care about the owners of machine shops and owners of sheet metal shops. And they want you to be successful. They want to give you all the tools you need. That's when I came to work for them. In today's segment, we're going to discuss quoting. It's one of the biggest time sinks in our business. Reach out to customers, we get business, we get our foot in the door, and they give us quotes, RFQs to do. We start doing those RFQs and we're submitting them as soon as we get done with them, and then the work starts coming in, the things we won. Well, we still have a desk full of quotes, but we got to go in the shop and get stuff going. So what do? We put off doing the other quotes that are still sitting on our desk. The work we've won, we get the work going, and we're going to make those customers happy. But by the time you get back to doing the quotes, they're later than you had hoped. And by the time you get that work, we're going to have 2 or 3 days without work. It's just a perpetual cycle. And we keep telling ourselves that we're going to make it better next month. We're going to do it differently. But we don't. We grow accustomed to the cycle. We find ourselves in the same situation month after month. Here's what I'd like for you to do. I challenge you, the next time you have a quote to do, take that quote in your head and machine this part. Say, this is going to take this long to set up and this on the program. Runtime is this. Especially if it's a small quantity job. After you do that, calculate in your few extras. Like, this part's pretty easy. There's only 10 of them, so I'm going to put 2 hours in for QC. It's a light part, so I'm going to put $30 in for shipping because it'll fit in a UPS box. Do all that math. Use your hourly rate. And at the end of that, write your number down that you get. Put it to the side and go quote the way you usually quote, where you actually use the burden rate on the machine, the power used, the material, the removal rates, and all the stuff that we sometimes do. You will be absolutely amazed at the amount of knowledge that spills out in that first 10 or 15 minutes when you were just writing it down, and how close your 20-minute quote is to your very time-consuming, complex quote. After you do this a few times and you get used to a more comfortable and have more confidence in that method, you'll be able to get out 10, 20 quotes a day instead of 2 and 4. I know the struggles that we face every day in this business. I've lived it. I've watched friends who are awesome machinists, awesome fabricators fail. Not because they couldn't make good quality parts. They were awesome at what they did. But because they didn't have a large enough network of customers, or they couldn't get quotes out fast enough. There's no reason everybody in our industry can't be successful. My duty, because I love machining and manufacturing so much, is to help everybody I can be successful and give them all the secrets they need to do it well with less. So as far as running your business, I'm going to teach you how to get out of your geographical area and expand to a point where you can take the work that best fits your shop and still make money on the stuff that you're handling that doesn't fit you real well, but you'll get it made for them because the customers trust you. I'm going to teach you how to market yourself better. I'm going to teach you how to use the internet to your advantage, social media to your advantage. After that, we'll get into more technical stuff like making machines run faster, setups quicker. Watch out for the next video in the series. If you have any questions, email me, tbowman, BOWMAN, @xometry.com.